Setting up Pipedrive, a customer relationship management tool, involves several steps. Sign up. Go to the Pipedrive website and sign up for an account. You can start with a free trial to explore its features before committing to a paid plan. Initial setup. Once signed in, you'll be guided through an initial setup process. Fill in your company details and invite team members if needed. Configure pipeline. Customize your sales pipeline to reflect your sales process. Add stages that correspond to different steps in your sales workflow. You can do this by going to Pipelines and then Add Pipeline or editing the existing one. Import contacts. Import your existing contacts and deals. You can upload a CSV file or connect with other tools like Google Contacts, Outlook, or another CRM to import data seamlessly. Add deals and contacts. Start adding deals manually by clicking on Add Deal and filling in the relevant information. Similarly, add contacts and organizations to keep your CRM data organized. Set up email integration. Integrate your email with Pipedrive to track email communications. Go to Settings, Personal, Email Sync, and follow the prompts to connect your email account. Customize fields and views. Customize data fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. Go to Settings, Company Settings, Data Fields to add custom fields. Automate workflows. Use Pipedrive's automation features to create workflows that automate repetitive tasks. For example, set up automatic email reminders or task assignments when a deal moves to a new stage. Mobile app. Download the Pipedrive mobile app for iOS or Android to manage your CRM on the go. Training and support. Utilize Pipedrive's support resources, including tutorials, webinars, and customer support to learn more about the tool and troubleshoot any issues.